as a kid, pectus affected me so much, and I managed to, through exercise, build a body that made my pectus hardly noticeable and one that I'm confident in, and now I've coached hundreds of people to do the same. And in this video, I want to share with you guys the 3 must-dos that enable you to achieve this. And through coaching people for the last 10 years, specifically for pectus improvement, and through my own transformation, I've really narrowed it down into these 3 things: consistency, intensity, and nutrition. Okay? Consistency is the number one thing. And this is what I see far too often is people start working out, they do it for a couple months, they don't see the result they want, and they stop. This is a long-term thing. To truly make your pectus excavatum less noticeable requires a significant amount of muscle. It requires changing posture. It's a big transformation. As I say to most people when they book a call with me, like, look, this is going to take you a year, and that's with my coaching. If you're guessing on your own, it's probably going to take you years, 5 years and beyond. You may not even achieve the result because you're just doing random workouts, which equals random results. So, it does take time, and you do need to be consistent, and don't expect these results to happen overnight because it's not going to happen. And so when you don't see the changes within a month or two, don't quit, because it's the consistency that will prevail. Okay, people look at my body and think, how do I achieve that? It's like, well, this has been a culmination of 10 years now. Okay, my body has continued to progress the longer I've trained. When I started making these videos way back, like 8 years ago, my body was nowhere near as good as it is now. And the amount of discipline I had to have to develop that was so much more. So it is a long game, and you do just need to be consistent. Like, consistency is the number one thing. The next must do is intensity. Now, this is one of the biggest mistakes I see from coaching people, from watching people work out. There is no intensity when the average person works out. Okay, they're not actually choosing a weight that's challenging, that's stimulating. And so as a result, they're not getting the adaptation. Okay, intensity drives adaptation. It's in the forcing the body to be like, oh my god, I need muscle to actually survive this stimulus, that you build muscle. Okay, and so you need to push the intensity, you need to train to failure, you need to be grunting and shaking and hurting. It needs to be uncomfortable. You need to feel discomfort when you're working out, because that's what actually creates the adaptation and the stimulus for the growth. Okay, the last must do is nutrition. I don't care how much you work out, how well you work out, if you're not eating enough calories, enough protein, and eating a good nutritious muscle building diet, forget it. Really forget it. Like, you're just not going to see the results. It is so vitally important. So that is a must do. It, in equivalent with intensity and consistency, are the 3 things that just people don't do, and that's why they don't get the result. You need to be consistent, you need to be working out with intensity, and you need a nutrition plan. You need to be eating enough calories and protein to stimulate muscle growth, or if you want to lose fat, you need to be eating less calories so you're in a calorie deficit. I cannot express how important these 3 things are. And now the 4th thing that would be a bonus for this video is just having a plan, because it helps you be consistent, it helps you have intensity, and obviously you can get a plan for your nutrition. So that's a really key thing that I think is vital if you really do want to achieve this transformation. And so if you are interested, you can book a call with me at fixedpectus.com for me to personally coach you and give you a plan specific to your pectus. That's the best way to do it, honestly. It's worked for hundreds of my clients. So if you're interested, links in the description, and I'd love to meet you soon on a call.